If you are over 60 and your eyes feel more tired at night than they used to, you are not imagining it. Many seniors notice that vision seems fine during the day, but once evening arrives, something changes. Lights feel harsher, reading becomes harder, screens feel uncomfortable, and by bedtime your eyes may feel dry, strained, or heavy, as if they have worked a full shift without rest. Here is something most people are never told. Your eyes do not repair themselves equally throughout the day. Just like your muscles and brain, your eyes follow a natural repair rhythm, and the most important part of that repair happens at night while you sleep. This is why what you eat before bed matters more than what you eat at noon, especially for aging eyes. Let me tell you a short story. A retired teacher named Linda, age 68, noticed that her night vision was declining quickly. She avoided driving after sunset. She felt anxious reading in the evening. Her eye doctor told her everything looked normal for her age, but that answer did not sit right with her. She wanted to protect what vision she had left. Instead of chasing supplements or expensive treatments, she made one small change. She added one simple fruit before bed. Nothing extreme, no pills, no complicated routine. Within weeks, she noticed something subtle but meaningful. Her eyes felt less dry at night. Morning vision felt clearer, and over time her confidence returned. What changed was not luck, it was timing. As we age, the eyes become more vulnerable to oxidative stress. This is damage caused by light exposure, blood sugar fluctuations, inflammation, and reduced circulation. During the day, your eyes are constantly processing light. Blue light from screens, glare from artificial lighting, contrast from reading and driving. All of this creates tiny amounts of damage in the retina. At night, your body shifts into repair mode. Blood flow redistributes. Inflammatory signals decrease. Melatonin rises. Cells begin cleanup and regeneration. But here is the key point. Your eyes can only repair what they have the nutrients to repair with. This is where the right fruit before sleep becomes powerful. The number one fruit seniors should eat before sleep for healthy eyes is blueberries. Not during the day, not blended with sugar. But in the evening, about 1 hour before bed, blueberries are not just another fruit. They contain a unique combination of anthocyanins, antioxidants, that specifically support retinal cells, blood vessel integrity, and night vision signaling. These compounds help protect the light-sensitive cells in the back of the eye that slowly weaken with age. But timing is what makes the difference. When eaten before sleep, blueberries work alongside your body's natural nighttime repair cycle. The antioxidants are absorbed and circulated while the eyes are resting, not actively processing light. This allows them to focus on repair instead of defense. There is also another benefit seniors rarely hear about. Blueberries help stabilize blood sugar during the night. Fluctuating blood sugar is one of the hidden causes of eye damage in older adults, even in people who are not diabetic. Sudden drops or spikes at night can reduce oxygen delivery to the retina. Blueberries release natural sugars slowly, preventing sharp changes that stress delicate eye tissue. This is why many seniors who eat sweets at night wake up with blurry vision, while those who eat the right fruit do not. Another overlooked factor is dryness. Aging eyes often produce fewer tears, especially at night. Blueberries support the tiny blood vessels that supply the tear glands and surface of the eye. Over time, this can help reduce the dry, gritty feeling many seniors experience before bed. This is not a miracle. It is gentle, consistent support. The goal is not to fix your eyes overnight. The goal is to slow decline, protect what you have, and support natural repair so your vision stays functional for as long as possible. The best amount is small, about half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. No added sugar, no syrup, no heavy desserts, just plain blueberries, eaten slowly. Some seniors like them chilled, others prefer them at room temperature. Either is fine. What matters is consistency. In the next part, I will explain why blueberries outperform other popular fruits seniors eat at night, and how they specifically support night vision, retinal health, and eye circulation after 60. Many seniors ask a reasonable question. Why blueberries? Why not oranges, apples, bananas, or grapes? After all, these fruits are healthy too. The answer lies in how aging eyes change and what they need most during sleep. As we grow older, the retina becomes thinner. Blood vessels supplying the eye become less flexible. The optic nerve becomes more sensitive to inflammation. These changes do not happen suddenly. They happen quietly, year after year. By the time symptoms appear, damage has already been accumulating. Most fruits contain vitamins, but blueberries contain something rare. Anthocyanins cross the blood-retina barrier. This means they can reach the exact area where vision processing happens. Very few dietary compounds can do this effectively. Anthocyanins help improve microcirculation in the eye. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach the retina during nighttime repair. This is especially important for seniors who notice fading contrast, poor night vision, or difficulty adjusting to darkness. Studies have shown that anthocyanins support rhodopsin regeneration. Rhodopsin is a light-sensitive protein in the retina that allows you to see in low light. With age, rhodopsin regenerates more slowly. This is why many seniors struggle with night driving or dim environments. Eating blueberries before sleep supports this regeneration process, while the eyes are resting. Another reason blueberries stand out is inflammation control. Low-grade inflammation quietly damages eye tissue over time. It does not cause pain, so it often goes unnoticed. Blueberries reduce inflammatory signaling that affects the retina and optic nerve. Now let's compare this to common nighttime fruits. Bananas are often eaten at night, but they are higher in fast-acting sugars. For some seniors, this can disrupt blood sugar balance during sleep. Oranges are healthy, but their acidity can trigger reflux or discomfort before bed, affecting sleep quality. Apples are nutritious, but they lack the specific antioxidants that target retinal repair. Grapes contain antioxidants, but they also contain more natural sugar and less fiber, which can lead to quicker blood sugar changes. Blueberries strike the right balance: low glycemic impact, high antioxidant concentration, targeted eye support. Another benefit that often surprises seniors is how blueberries support sleep itself. They contain compounds that work gently with melatonin regulation. Better sleep means better repair. When sleep quality improves, eye repair improves as well. This creates a positive cycle. Better sleep leads to better eye health. Better eye comfort leads to less nighttime strain and anxiety. Now let's talk about how to eat blueberries correctly. Timing matters. Eat them about 45 minutes to 1 hour before bed. This gives enough time for digestion without interfering with sleep. Do not eat them with heavy meals, desserts, or alcohol. Keep it simple. Portion size matters too. Half a cup is ideal. More is not better. Excess fruit can disrupt digestion at night. Fresh or frozen both work. Frozen blueberries are often picked at peak ripeness and retain their nutrients. Just let them thaw slightly. Avoid blueberry juices. Juices remove fiber and concentrate sugar, which reduces the benefits. Some seniors like to add a small handful of nuts alongside blueberries. This can further stabilize blood sugar and provide healthy fats that support nutrient absorption. Just keep portions modest. Consistency is key. This is not something you do once a week. This is a nightly habit. Over time, the effects compound. Many seniors report changes within 2 to 4 weeks: less dryness at night, clearer morning vision, reduced eye fatigue, improved comfort with screens and reading. These changes may feel subtle at first, but subtle improvements are powerful when they protect long-term vision. The seniors who benefit most from eating blueberries before sleep are those who experience gradual, age-related vision changes rather than sudden eye disease. If you notice difficulty seeing at night, increased glare sensitivity, dry eyes, or general eye fatigue, this habit can be especially helpful. It is also beneficial for seniors who spend time on screens in the evening. Televisions, tablets, and phones expose the eyes to artificial light that increases oxidative stress. Blueberries help counter this damage during nighttime repair. If you have diabetes or prediabetes, blueberries are one of the safest fruits to eat at night due to their low glycemic impact. Still, portion control is important. Always monitor how your body responds. For seniors with advanced eye conditions, blueberries are supportive, but not a replacement for medical care. They work best as part of a long-term protective routine, not as a treatment. There are a few people who should be cautious. If you are allergic to berries, obviously avoid them. If you have digestive sensitivity, start with a smaller portion and see how you feel. Now let's talk about combining blueberries with simple habits that multiply their benefits. First, reduce bright light exposure 1 hour before bed. Dim the lights, avoid scrolling on phones in the dark. This allows melatonin to rise naturally, improving sleep and eye repair. Second, stay hydrated during the day. Dehydration contributes to dry eyes at night. Blueberries help, but water intake matters too. Third, blink consciously when watching TV in the evening. Seniors blink less when focused, which dries the eyes. Fourth, keep bedroom air from becoming too dry. A humidifier can reduce nighttime eye dryness significantly. When these habits work together, eye comfort improves noticeably. Now let's address an important expectation. This is not about restoring 20-year-old vision. Aging eyes will change. The goal is to slow decline, preserve function, and improve comfort. Many seniors accept vision loss as inevitable, but much of it is influenced by daily habits. Small choices, repeated consistently, protect vision more than dramatic interventions made too late. The reason blueberries are so effective is not because they are exotic or expensive. It is because they work with your body's natural rhythm. They support repair when repair is already happening. Think of it like watering a garden at the right time. You do not water under the hot sun. You water when the soil can absorb moisture. Nighttime is when your eyes absorb support. This habit also brings peace of mind. Knowing you are doing something gentle and natural for your eyes reduces anxiety about aging. Less worry means better sleep. Better sleep means better eye health. Many seniors report that this simple routine becomes something they look forward to, a calm moment before bed, a signal to the body that it is time to rest and repair. If you are watching this and thinking, it's just fruit, how much can it really help? Remember this, vision loss does not happen overnight. Protection does not happen overnight either. But the difference between decline and preservation often comes down to small daily actions. Blueberries before sleep are one of those actions. If you found this helpful, take a moment to support your eyes starting tonight. And if you want more senior-focused health guidance like this, make sure to stay connected for future videos that help you protect your vision naturally as you age. Your eyes have supported you for decades. Now is the time to support them back. By now, you understand why eating blueberries before sleep supports healthier eyes after 60. But to truly protect vision long-term, it helps to see the bigger picture. Nighttime nutrition is one piece of a larger system that determines whether vision slowly weakens or remains stable and functional well into later years. One of the most overlooked factors in senior eye health is consistency over intensity. Many seniors search for a powerful supplement, a special drop, or a quick fix. But the eyes respond best to gentle, repeated signals of support. This is why a simple nightly fruit habit can outperform occasional, aggressive interventions. Think of your eyes like aging skin. A single expensive cream used once does very little. Daily care, even if simple, makes the real difference. Blueberries work the same way. Night after night, they quietly reduce oxidative stress, support circulation, and protect light-sensitive cells from ongoing wear. Another important layer is how aging affects nutrient absorption. After 60, digestion becomes less efficient. The stomach produces less acid. The intestines absorb certain vitamins less effectively. This means timing and food form matter more than ever. Whole fruits eaten alone are often absorbed better than nutrients mixed into heavy meals. Eating blueberries before sleep allows your digestive system to process them slowly and efficiently, without competition from fats, proteins, or sugars that can interfere with absorption. This is one reason seniors often notice better results from small nighttime routines than from large daytime meals. Let's also talk about the brain-eye connection. Vision is not just about the eyes themselves. The brain processes visual signals, adjusts contrast, and adapts to darkness. During sleep, the brain clears metabolic waste and strengthens neural connections, including those related to vision. Blueberries support brain health as well. Their antioxidants reduce neuroinflammation and support communication between nerve cells. This means the benefit is not limited to the eyeball alone. It extends to how clearly and comfortably the brain interprets what the eyes see. This may explain why some seniors report not just clearer vision, but better focus, reduced eye fatigue, and improved comfort when reading or watching television. Now, let's address a common concern. Some seniors worry about eating anything before bed. The fear is weight gain, poor sleep, or indigestion. This concern usually comes from late-night snacking on processed foods, not from small, intentional nourishment. Half a cup of blueberries is low in calories, high in fiber, and unlikely to disrupt sleep when eaten mindfully. In fact, for many seniors, it improves sleep by preventing nighttime blood sugar dips that cause waking, restlessness, or early morning hunger. Better sleep leads to better eye repair. Poor sleep accelerates vision decline. The connection is stronger than most people realize. Another helpful tip is to create a calming routine around this habit. Instead of eating blueberries while distracted or standing in the kitchen, sit down, dim the lights, eat slowly. Let this be a transition from daytime activity to nighttime rest. This ritual itself signals the nervous system to relax. Lower stress hormones mean less inflammation throughout the body, including the eyes. Over months and years, these effects accumulate. Vision does not suddenly improve dramatically, but it stabilizes. And stability is a victory when it comes to aging eyes. Many seniors reach a point where they say, "My vision isn't perfect, but it hasn't gotten worse." That is success. Finally, remember this. Healthy aging is not about fighting time. It is about working with your body's natural rhythms. Nighttime is when repair happens. Blueberries simply provide the raw materials at the right moment. If you start tonight, you are not too late. The eyes respond at any age. They are resilient when supported properly. Small actions, right timing, long-term protection. That is how seniors keep their eyes healthier, clearer, and more comfortable. One quiet evening at a time.